Mhm. This is the Gospel of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven." And this is the prophet Isaiah, chapter 29 and verse 6. "Thou shalt be visit of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempest and the flame of iron fire." And this is Psalms 18 and verse 7.
Hello, Moto.
It's the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. It says, "Then the earth shook and trembled, and the founders also the hills moved, shaking for his wrath." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, or called Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem. In the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lost Wakadash tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a recent news articles that took place a couple of hours ago, and I believe over there in Japan, off the coast of Japan. And this is from theguardian.com. And this is by Reuters in Tokyo as of December the 8th, 2025, 10:19 Eastern Standard Time. And it reads, it says, "Japan issues a tsunami warning after a magnitude 6.6, 7.6 earthquake. Waves of high 3 magnitudes could hit the northeast of a country after a powerful tremors of 50 miles off coast." It says a powerful 7.6 earthquake has shaken Japan, prompting a tsunami warning and orders for residents to evacuate. A tsunami high as 3 magnitudes, 10 foot, could hit the country's northeastern coast after the earthquake occurred offshore at 11:15 p.m. local time. And I believe the aftershock was a 5.8 earthquake. And I believe expect to see more aftershocks of that major 7.6 earthquake hit over there in the area. It says Japan Meteorological Agency JMA said, it says the tsunami warnings were issued for the prefectures of the Hadakio, Amarillo, and Awap, and the tsunamis from 20 to 50, 17 to 18 in high were observed several ports. The JMA says the epic century of the high quake was 50 miles, 80 kilometers off the coast of Amari Prefecture at a depth of 30 miles. The agency added, one of Japan's 1 to 7 scale of the seismic intensity of tremor registered as a upper 6, and the Maori Prefecture a quake strong enough to make it possible to keep standing or moving without crawling. In such tremors, most heavy furnitures can collapse, and walls, tiles, and window panels are damaged in many buildings. East Japan Railway suspended some service in the area, which was hit by the massive 9.0 with a massive 9.0 magnitude earthquake back in 2011. It says no irregularities were reported at the nuclear power plant in the regional run by Tahi Coal Electric Power and the Hidehido Electric Power. The utilities said that Tokyo, if I pronounced that right, Electric did said, however, that thousands were without power. Japan is one of the most earthquake-prone countries, with a tremors occur at least every 5 minutes. Located in the Ring of Fire, arc of volcanoes and oceanic trenches, partly encircling the Pacific Basin. Japan's accounts for about 20% of the world's earthquakes from magnitude 6.0 or greater. More details to come. So as of right now, they had a magnitude of a 7.6 earthquake at tsunami warnings world 2, and then the aftershocks been occurring. There was a 5.8 earthquake of a aftershock. That earthquake of a 7.6 hit off the coast of Japan. And once again, excuse me, kind of slipping the tongue of words a little bit, so Salakia for that. Psalms 18 verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also the hills was moved with shaky because it was wrath. Right, because we see in the Heavenly Father visiting the earth with a great shaking with these earthquakes. Because we know the Heavenly Father, He's a right judgment power. And this is Matthew's 24 and verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. This is what Yahushua spoke about, of the uptick of great earthquakes, and that's what we're seeing. And this is the book of Second Ezra. And his family there, beautiful moment after the game. And then Fernando comes jogging his ass back on, and the next place goes. This is the book of Second Ezra, and this is Ezra was speaking this world too. That is going to be a great sign that the Heavenly Father visits this earth. Second Ezra 9 verse 2. It says, "Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time where in the highest, which the Heavenly Father Yahweh will begin to visit the world which He made." Right, so the prophet Ezra was saying that the Heavenly Father is going to visit this earth, and we seeing Him visiting the earth with these great shakings of high magnitude of earthquakes in diverse places. Second Ezra 9 verse 3. And therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes, right, that's the key word, earthquakes, and there shall be seen earthquakes in the upwards world. So on a day-to-day basis, we're going to be seeing the uptick of high magnitude of earthquakes in the upwards world on top of that as well too. And this is the book of Luke, the Gospel of Luke 21 and verse 11, precept to that. Right, precept to that. Matthew's the 24 verse 7, precept to that. Luke 21 verse 11, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fifth size of great sand shall be heaven. Right, so we're going to be seeing an uptick of a modern day great earthquakes shall be in various places, in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this news article was edifying of this recent earthquake that happened today over there in off the coast of Japan. This is from theguardian.com, and this was published December the 8th, Monday, 2025 at 10:19 Eastern Standard Time by Reuters in Tokyo. As it says again, Japan issues a tsunami warning after a magnitude of a 7.6 earthquake. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem B'Karkadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son Ba'Hashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the lost Wakadash tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom. People that put on pads and play football, but it was like in front of 250 people. Like actually 200.